Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about something that might sound simple, but has the power to change everything. Kindness. I know, you've heard it a million times. Be kind. It's on posters, it's in songs. But have you ever stopped to think about what it actually means, and why it's so incredibly important? Let's get real for a second. Life can be tough. Wait, we all have days when we feel stressed, overwhelmed, or just plain invisible. We're rushing from one thing to the next, juggling deadlines, bills, and a million other pressures. In this hustle, it's easy to forget that everyone we meet is fighting their own battle. The person who cuts you off in traffic. Maybe they're rushing to the hospital. The cashier who seemed a bit grumpy. Perhaps they've been on their feet for 10 hours straight. We just don't know. And that's where kindness comes in. It's not about grand, heroic gestures. It's about the small things. A genuine smile to a stranger. Holding the door for someone with their hands full. Sending a quick text to a friend to say, "Hey, thinking of you." These seemingly tiny actions create ripples. They're moments of connection in a world that can often feel disconnected. Think about it from a scientific perspective. When you're kind to someone, their brain releases oxytocin, the love hormone, which makes them feel happier and more connected. And guess what? Your brain does the same thing. Too. Win-win. Being kind literally makes us feel good. It reduces stress, boosts our immune system, and can even lower blood pressure. It's like a free, all-natural mood booster. But the impact goes even deeper. When you practice kindness, you're not just changing your own brain chemistry. You're changing the world around you. You're creating an environment of trust and support. Matia, a workplace where colleagues help each other out instead of competing. Or a neighborhood where people look out for one another. That's a world built on kindness. It's a world where people feel safe, valued, and understood. Kindness is also a superpower when it comes to personal growth. It forces you to look beyond yourself and see the world from another person's perspective. Builds empathy. When you choose to be kind, especially when it's difficult when someone is rude or unfair, you are choosing strength over reaction. You are choosing to be the person you want to be, regardless of how others behave. That is true power. So, what can we do? Let's make it practical. Start small. Today, try to give one unexpected compliment. Let that car merge into your lane. Take 2 minutes to really listen when someone is talking to you, without checking your phone. Pay for the coffee for the person behind you in line. These acts don't cost much, but their value is immeasurable. They send a message. I see you. You matter. Kindness is a choice we make every single day, in every interaction. It's a language that everyone, everywhere, understands. It's the glue that holds our communities together, and the light that guides us through dark times. It's not a weakness. It's our greatest strength. Let's start a kindness revolution, one small act at a time. Who's with me? Thank you so much for watching. This message resonated with you. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more content that I hope will brighten your day. 2. I'd love to hear your stories about kindness in the comments below. Take care, and remember to be kind to yourself and others. See you in the next video.